Here we are on activity, Unit 1, Activity 7, Question 9. It says, what is the meaning of the coefficient of determination, in other words, r squared? So again, we want to come over here, and rather than looking at r, we're going to come up here to this r squared. The official value is 0.770838, but to make that simple, I've rounded that number to the nearest hundredth, to 0.77. So what is r squared? Again, let's go to our website. I've gone to mathbits.com. Remember, in my Google search, I just put correlation coefficient. I went to this MathBits website. I'm going to scroll down here a little farther. Here's the information we looked at for question, what was that, 8? So here we are, r squared. What is r squared? R squared, I really like this blue here. It says, for example, if r equals 0.922, and if we square that, we get r squared, which is 0.850. Well, what does that number mean? Well, it says that if we convert that to a percentage by moving that decimal 2 places, we now have an 85% of the total variation in y can be explained by the linear relationship between x and y. The other 15% in this particular case is not explained. So we then need to go back and look at our numbers. So we have 77% of our correlation is explained by our awesome linear regression that we came up with using these values. And that, what would that be? 23% is unexplained. So again, since this was so close to +1, and we got our r squared of 0.77, what does that tell us? And again, you're calculating a percentage, so you're going to move that, and we get 77%. 77% of what? What did I explain here earlier? And don't forget, you can use that MathBits example. So what is explained by our regression and what is left unexplained? I need two numbers. So this gives us, once we convert it, one of the answers, and 1.00 minus this gives us the percent that's unexplained. So please enter that in question 9.